Hello, welcome. In this video I will discuss on how you will create a centbee wallet using a browser extension on your computer. If you are using a computer, you might want to know how you can create or import your own wallet that you might have been using on your phone. So first of all, you need to go to the browser and type inside your search bar this for example centbee wallet. So because we are going to discuss on how you can import your already existing wallet, which is centbee, onto the computer without any issue, so this is the video you must have watched. So make sure you follow along so that you will not miss any part of the video, and you will follow along with me. So as I type into the search bar this search criterion, that is centbee wallet extension, you can see that this is the main website, and this is where something get interesting, where this C wallet Chrome web store for Google Chrome. Because I'm using browser which is Google Chrome browser, I need to choose this one, which will open up a window for the extension, which is particularly for that centbee wallet. I'm not interested in this. I mean this link, which begin with C wallet dash Chrome dash space web store and all that. So click on that. When you click on that, it will open up the Chrome store extension store that is featuring what are necessary for the centbee wallet, and this is the place, a dashboard for you to explore the wallet, what it is been doing, the privacy practice, review, support, and all the related information for that wallet. For this purpose, we don't need to read anything because we want to make the video quick, so that when you land on this page, make sure you read all the related things about what you are going to download. So right now I will say add to Chrome, because let now add to Chrome. Now it is checking and it is asking me, the Chrome browser, it's asking me, am I ready to install this extension, which I say yes, add extension, and it is going to download the file which is around 13 MB, if I can remember. Yeah, it is around 13 MB. It is here downloading. Yes, it is here downloading. So when it finishes downloading, you will just go ahead and the browser will automatically install it, and it will give you the interface that you can use to either create a new wallet or import the already existing wallet, which I am sure most of you guys have finished. And if you derive any value from my video and other videos that I do, please do subscribe to the channel and give me a thumb up so that many people will look at the video and derive value from it. Thank you for that. So let's wait for the download to finish and begin the installation or importing the existing one. As you click here, the browser is going to check and ask for your permission if you want to really add this. So you choose add extension and wait for the browser to finish downloading. When it finishes checking the validity and all the required check-ins for the extension. So now the browser, as you can see here, it is downloading about 13 MB, which it is pretty small file that you can use. After it has finished downloading, it will open up the component that are now facing you to start establishing or start filling what is required for you to import your existing or create a new centbee wallet. Sorry. Now it is about 11:12.4. all right, so now it is adding to Chrome, as you can see right down here. So after it finishes, we will see what is next. Still checking, still. Yes, right. C wallet has been added to Chrome. Use this extension by clicking the icon. Right, so we have finished installing the extension. Now we no longer require window, but you can come here. This icon is referring to the extension of wallets and all the extension that you have installed on your browser. So when you come down, you look for the C wallet and double click it to bring it up so that you can install it and make it ready for use. So now we have two options right here. We have create a wallet, or if you have already a wallet, so you can come here and start importing your seed press. So these are the 12 or 24-watt seed press that you will use. So I'll pause the video, enter my own seed press, and click next so that you will see. For privacy, I just have to pause the video here. Voila. So as you have finished, it is going to ask you of the password, so that you will create a new password, or you can also use your existing password. When you finish, it will load everything that you are requested, and this is the end of the creation of the wallet. And you can see that it is quite a bit different look for the as that we have on our on our mobile phone. So this is the same wallet, as so long as your seed phrase are imported from the ones that you have on your mobile phone. So this is the wallet that is going to be facing your in the interface. So thank you for watching. Make sure if you have derived value from this video to give it thumb up, and bye bye.